Hey guys, Trey here from AmericanTrucks.com, and today we're checking out the XK Glow Ignite Series compact LED headlight bulbs, low beam H11s for the 2015 to 2023 F-150 models that came with the factory halogen lights. If you're after a brighter, more efficient lighting option with a modern touch, these LEDs are a fantastic option for your truck. These LED bulbs deliver a significant upgrade over the standard halogen bulbs. The LED bulbs are designed to improve visibility with a brighter, clearer light output. They feature a lifespan of 50,000 hours, offering a crisp, white light output that enhances nighttime driving and improves clarity for objects in your path. What sets these bulbs apart is their compact design, which makes them easier to fit in your headlight housing. Additionally, the built-in heat management system ensures consistent performance by preventing overheating, prolonging the life of the bulbs. This makes them a reliable option for those of you who want long-lasting performance without the hassle of frequent replacements. These bulbs are built with high-quality materials, including premium aluminum for durability and efficient heat dissipation. The integrated cooling fans keep the assembly from overheating and reduces potential failures, ensuring smooth operation for years to come. As far as pricing goes on these, they're coming in right at that low $100 range. This is a reasonable price considering the performance benefits and the longevity these bulbs bring compared to traditional halogen options, needing less frequent maintenance and replacing. Installation is going to be super simple, and it's rated only a 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and should take you less than an hour to get the job done. The bulbs are plug and play, meaning you don't need any additional wiring or modifications. Simply replace your factory low beams with these LED ones and you're good to go. Now let's check out an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks.com customers.
I got my 7/32 socket here. I'm just gonna take off these bolts. I got see 1, 2, and there's the third one under here. Okay, there's also a clip back there, black clip here that I will need to take off. I guess these screws go all the way around the top. Probably gonna take off at least one more. Well covered, pull back so. But all these screws are the same size. 7/32. I think I can reach it from here. Oh God. Dirt all in my eye. You guys might want to clean these before you do this. Here's the old bulb. Got the new bulbs right here. Old bulb, new bulb. All you do is take the new bulb and just plug it in where the old bulb came from. Pretty simple job. Just like that. It's done. All I gotta do now is tighten these screws back up. Place this, and we're good to go. What you do to one side, you do to the next. Oh yeah. And it's done.
Well, that's going to wrap it up for our review and install of the XK Glow Ignite Series compact LED headlight bulbs for the low beam H11s for the 2015 to 2023 F-150s that came with the factory halogen bulbs. And for all things F-150, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.